So I'm back at it again. Since 6 a.m. it's noon now. But I never ran into that before. Little trap right there. So yeah, I took it off and see. So it's still got ice in the bottom here, but this is the flue side over here. Cover side. Covered. See it coming right out. But this is all frozen on there. It was frozen up to here, so let me be careful. My pressure switch wasn't proven. This one right here with the yellow wire, it wasn't proven. I was getting water back up from this line right here, and when I stopped the unit, you know, water would come out through this hole right here. I keep the inducer on to help blow it out, but I thought something was clogged. I thought like a bird might have went up there, but what happened is that got frozen, condensate water, and it wasn't. So this pressure switch is hooked here. It's sensing all this pressure. All right, so I got it back on there. Sorry for the focus. You see it cover flue. This thing picked first try. Still clearing up. Let's see what happens here. Relight. Sometimes you need a relight.